Hi and welcome back to another football shirt review. Today we're looking at the Northampton home shirt from the 25-26 season, and this shirt was purchased from dhgate.com. I will leave a link to the seller in the description of this video. I'll also leave a link to my usual dhgate seller. It won't be for this item, I know, but it'll be something from their site, so you're then able to take a look around and see what else you can find. Timescales, you're looking at about 15 days for delivery, which is absolutely perfect. Shirt comes in a standard bag. On the flip side, it is also plain. So if you are new around here, make sure you hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments or anything, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. Now, this is the first Northampton Town shirt we've seen on this website, and it's quite nice now that the sellers are actually doing some of the, and when I say this, I mean it in the nicest possible way, the lower teams in the leagues. So it's good to see that. But as I say, the seller is dhgate.com. All information for the seller will be in the description of this video. But right, let's get this bag open and take a look at the Northampton Town home shirt for the 25-26 season. So the front of the shirt, we've got the standard sort of like V-neck style collar. You can just see where the join of the material is. It's a darker white there. On the sleeve, you've got the Puma, and that's rubberized, heat pressed on, the same as what you've got here as the kit manufacturer, and it's on that sleeve as well. Northampton Town crest has been glued on, because you can see the remnants of the glue around the outside. Sponsor, Northampton University, vinyl heat pressed on. And at the bottom we have the authentic licensed football Puma tag, and on this side you have dry sell. There's also a sleeve sponsor. Oh, do you know what? I really like that. Green Ape Media. That's an impressive looking sponsor there on the sleeve. So we didn't go for any league patches or anything on this side. And if I bring the material out, you can see my hand relatively easy through it. So it is lightweight, it is quite see-through, and there's some of those little mismatches of colour just there. But that's the front of this Northampton home shirt. Let's flip it around and look at the reverse side. Now, it's good to see a team of like Northampton that they're now reproducing these shirts as well. So yeah, let's flip it around and take a look at the reverse side. Okay, we're on the reverse side, and you can see now, to be fair, a bit easier, the Puma on the sleeves. Collar line, standard sort of collar, you've got that join bar there. Then we have a reverse sponsor, which is Snowden Homes Limited. I think that's slightly to the left a little bit actually. But better than some of the Sunderland shirts that I've seen of their sponsors for the new season. The shirt looks lovely for Sunderland, but yeah, a lot of issues with the sponsor. Again, you can see my hand quite clearly through the material, but all in all though, the hemline and the join looks really nice. Puma shirts are always pretty good, but not a lot to call out on the back of this one, because we didn't go for a name or number or anything on it. It was just because it was available. I thought, do you know what, I've not seen a Northampton one done before, so let's grab it. So yeah, there's the reverse side done, no name and number. We'll flip it inside out now and we'll take a look at that as well. Okay, we're on to the inside of the shirt. Stitching all looks really good around the collar line. You have the Puma up there, no issues, and there's a Northampton badge. So I was right, it's been glued on because we could see the lines around it, but that's gone on nicely. The Puma over there as well, really quite good. Sleeve sponsor, there is a crease there from where it's been in the bag, but nothing really to worry about at all. Shirt sponsor, again, a fair few creases from the bag, but that looks absolutely perfect. Stitching under the arm, quite a few excess bits of cotton there, and at the bottom as well. But all in all, stitching looks good. Just get a pair of scissors on those and you'll soon be able to cut them off. But yeah, all in all, I think the inside looks good. Again, a little bit of a mess up on the stitching up there, but it doesn't, and that side, it doesn't ruin the shirt itself. So if you're wearing this one, it looks absolutely perfect. It will wear perfectly. say just the cotton, which we can soon chop off. But yeah, that's the first part of the inside of the shirt completed. Okay, and the final part of the inside of the shirt now, you've got the Puma, the sizing up there, size XL. Recommendation is, as this is a fans version, if you are an XL, buy an XL. I still buy them a size up anyway, I just like a bit of space in there. You've got the Puma cell tag, and all the information just there, but that there is vinyled on. If I push in, you cannot see at all the Northampton badge. You can make the sponsor there, but as I said, that's gone on really quite well. At the bottom we have our washing instructions. The recommendation when washing these shirts is to flip them inside out and to put it on a hand wash setting. When you come to dry it, just let it hang dry, never put them in a tumble dryer. Tumble dryer will make things like the sponsor, the sleeve sponsor, the Puma and that all peel off. You probably get away with it once, but I would never do it. I would always just let them hang dry. And I have been doing since I've been buying these shirts. The join there looks a bit rough. I wonder what this side's like. That side's a bit better, but still a bit wonky. But yeah, there's the inside of our Northampton Town home shirt. And there we have it, the Northampton Town home shirt for the 25-26 season from dhgate.com. Now, so this is the first time I've seen a Northampton shirt, which is the main reason why I went and got this one. So it's good to see some of the lower league teams getting the shirts remade as well. All the information for GOGM will be in the description of this video. I'll also leave a dhgate link for my usual seller. It won't be for this item, it will just be for something else from their website, which will then mean you can take a look and see what else they've got for sale. Delivery timescales, you're looking at about 15 days for delivery, which is perfect. If you have enjoyed this video, hit the like button and subscribe. I do these sort of reviews on a weekly basis. Any comments, questions, leave them below and I'll get back to you as soon as I can. But that's our video of the Northampton Town home shirt for the 25-26 season from GOGM.com. All the information in the description of the video for the seller. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you've enjoyed it and I'll see you in the next one.